Good evening, friends. Here I am going to cover the one of the fundamental analysis of one of the IT company. The company name is Coforge Limited. So you can see the website of the company from here. So you can see the company's website, the Coforge Limited, transform and basically global presence, 20 plus, Delhi 30 plus, great place to work, very good sign. So long-term customer relationship defined as MetLife. So a lot of the companies doing business, insurance, agile implementation or the duck trees, policy administration system to drive the business growth, travel transportation companies having services in travel and transportation, banking and services, healthcare and life, public sector, high tech, manufacturing, media and entertainment, digital services companies doing digital service, AI and data insight, data process automation, cloud infrastructure, cybersecurity and services, business process services, SAP services. Companies doing also SAP services. Very good sign about the Coforge company. You can just click and you can check the services: digital process automation, Appanion, Pega, OutSystem, automation, digital advisory services, digital experience, digital innovation, digital integration, digital interaction services, and innovations as a service, Mule software, quality engineering services, Salesforce, lot of things companies doing, lot of things. You can read in the website of the company anytime. Let's check about the more information here about the company. So this is the actually 5-year chart of the company. Company was trading at 600 rupees. No one was understanding what is the quality of the. If someone invested in this company in a 5-year back, the person will become a multi-billionaire. And basically earn a lot of money in this company. This is a monthly delivery 30-35 people are doing a lot of trade in this company. You can see corporate action companies paying consistent dividend 10 rupees, 11, 13 rupees, 15 rupees. What a company, ultimate dividend paying company. You can see here the William, you can say overbought signal. Please check with your technical advisor before buying any stock on the basis of technical information. Always check with technical advisor. Go into the fundamental. It's an IT company, IT software and services, Coforge Limited. You can say price is 5,435. What a price here, what a movement. Market cap is 32,965. EPS is 32. P 66, industry B 37, book value per share 419, only 490 book value, price to book value 12. So for the multinational company you will see this kind of price to book value of 12. Dividend is 0.24, number of shares subscribed 06.06, face value 10. Very good sign. Same scenario in the standalone, but standalone you will see the book value is less. Standalone, because standalone is a single business, so 317, and price to book value very high, and P is also, you can see P is also very high in this standalone scenario. Now check result of the company. Wow. Company is increasing their result every year increasing the result. Last in this lockdown is given a boon for this company and giving a lot of sales with the help of IT business. EBITDA is also growing for the company. You can see how company is going now, 199, 202, 210, 211, perfect. EBITDA is increasing. Interest, company now earlier was not paying interest, but this year company pay 11 crore interest, but it is also very low, no problem at all. Company's PAT is also basically growing. You can see that 122, 124, 137. What a company are increasing their PAT slowly. If you see here the annual result of the company, what a dream company are, what a dream company. You can see the sales is also growing here, 2,000 crore to 3,360 4,600 crore, ultimate growth. Similarly, EBITDA is also growing for the company. You can see here 300 crore to 400 crore to 500 crore to 600, 700, 780, now 800 crore triggering. Very good sign. Similarly, also the net profit consolidated profit also growing, like 200 crore to 300 crore to 400 crore, now 456 crore. Very good sign, ultimate sign. Ratio, you can see return on equity 19, return on capital 24, return on assets 11. Very good. Efficiency ratio, you can see the company is increasing their price to book values 181 to 200 to 300 to 398, almost approximate 400 of book value. Company working capital also reducing 37 days to 38 days to 36 days. Very good sign. You can see the balance sheet of the company. Wow, what a company here, what a balance sheet. 60.24, 61.4 diluted by the company equity. 62.5 diluted by the company. Now again company is not diluted and doing some buyback or something and making the equity capital down. 60.6, very good sign. Company maintaining a very steady equity capital, very good. Reserve is also growing, 1000 crore, 1600 crore, 2300 to 2356, very good sign. Reserve is also growing. Non-current liabilities 50 crore only. Current liabilities was 1706. Okay. Non-current assets 1229 against 50 crore, 1229, very good. Current asset, total current asset 2993, which is also is greater than 1796 of current liabilities. Cash in bank 800 crore. Wow. Shunted at 889. Shunted that was 889. Very good sign. Profit and loss, you can see net sales also growing. Very good. PAT is also growing. Very good. Company's cash is also growing. Maintaining healthy cash flow. Very good sign. You can see promoter reducing their stake 70% to 70% to 60% to 63 to 55. If you click on the plus sign, you will see foreign promoter actually is the foreign promoter reducing their equity and now keeping is 55.73. Who is taking this from the promoter? Taking by the FII increasing their stake, DII increasing their stake, non-institution also increasing slowly. So this is the way company's overall shareholder. Who is the owner of this company is Halstead BV. Halstead BV is the multinational company. Okay. Chairman you can see about here. Mutual fund holding this stock. Stock edge report you can read about. Future and option you can read. Chain option. Company is also part of future and option. That's why it is coming here. Scan you can read about the scan. Fundamental high return on equity. Increasing sales, the quarterly sales, high PE stock, consider dividend pay stock. Hope this video helped you to understand the fundamental of company Coforge Limited. Always check with your advisor before buying any stock. Thank you. Have a nice day.